I have AA. Oh. Model FSG 5248 gas water heater that is not performing very well. Not sure if I need to replace it.
Welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will do my best to help you with your issue. How old is the heater? Describe the problem/lack of performance.
The heater is aprox. 14 years old. I am assuming. I bought the house in 2008. It was built in 2001. Assuming original. The date on the label references 1996. I have a 3,100 square feet. 2-story home. 2.5 bath. Both full baths upstairs. The hot water has always taken a long time to reach the upstairs showers and faucets, but when it did, it was very hot and good a long shower. 6 people living in the house and no regular major issues with hot water supply. Just takes a long time to get through the pipes historically. The last couple of months though have changed. Now the water is not as hot and runs to cold rather quickly. The water is much hotter downstairs as it has always been, but even the close bathroom to the water location downstairs is now running to lukewarm very quickly. This week I installed a recirculation pump man system. I installed it upstairs bathroom sink, the furthest away from my water heater. It works very well. I now have hot water flowing within 20 to 30 seconds instead of 3 to 4 minutes. But the water is still not very hot and runs out in a minute or two. I work at home alone, and even if I wait 5 hours to take a shower since my family left and school, the hot water is not very hot and runs out quickly.
Okay, sounds like you probably have a broken dip tube. The dip tube carries the incoming cold water to the bottom of the tank. If it breaks, the incoming cold mixes with the hot water at the top of the tank, cooling it off. Given the advanced age, 4 years older than normal expected life, I'd recommend you just replace the tank. You could also have a faulty thermostatic gas control valve, not as likely given your description. Replacing that is even more expensive than fixing a dip tube. Sediment in the bottom of the tank is another possibility. Slow recovery. This too is another reason to just replace the tank. Trying to flush out the sediment at this late date is unlikely to succeed and could cause the tank to fail sooner.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.